In this video, I will demonstrate how to chamfer a solid using solid chamfer commands. Solid chamfer commands allow you to create a chamfer along the solid edges. The following commands are available. One distance chamfer, which creates a 45 degrees chamfer with both distances equal to the specified amount. Two distance chamfer, which creates a chamfer by specifying a value for each distance. And distance and angle chamfer, which creates a chamfer by specifying one distance and an angle. The solid chamfer mastercam file is already open. In the first example, I will create a 45 degrees angle chamfer using one distance chamfer command. To open the command from the Solids tab, I will select one distance chamfer. In the solid selection, I will make sure that just the edge button is enabled, so I will click on the body and face to disable them, and then select the edge that I want to chamfer. OK for now. As you could see, a chamfer will be automatically created with the default distance. I'm going to change the value to 0.35 and then press an enter. The chamfer is created, as you could see. Same options as you saw before in the constant fillet command are available in the one distance chamfer. If you want to chamfer the entire solid, you have options such as propagate along tangency and meter corners. I'm going to select the OK button to exit this command. In the second example, I will create a chamfer using the two distance chamfer command. As you could see in the finish solid, this command creates a chamfer by specifying a value for each distance. From the Solid tab, I will select the arrow next to the one distance chamfer, and from the drop-down menu, I'm selecting the two distance chamfer. I will select the edge that I want to chamfer. Automatically, the system selects a face from where it's going to measure the first distance. We will leave the vertical face, but if you want to use a different face as reference, you can click on the other face button. I'm going to leave the vertical face selected. OK. And then OK again to exit solid selection. Note that it is important to know which face you selected, as the first distance will be measured from the edge along the selected face. In our case, the first distance should be 0.35, which is already in the two distance chamfer panel, and then the second distance should be 0.125, 1/8 of an inch. Then press an enter and you should see how the solid chamfer was updated. Again, I'm just going to exit the command, OK or escape button. In the third example, I will create a chamfer using the distance and angle chamfer command. As you could see, I know a distance and the angle. From the Solids tab, I'm going to click on the arrow and select the distance and angle chamfer. I'm selecting the edge. Again, I will get reference face, the vertical one. I'm just going to accept it. Accept the solid selection. And then in the distance, I will change the value to 0.5, half an inch, and the angle to 30 degrees, and another enter after it. OK or escape to exit the command. This concludes our video on how to chamfer a solid using solid chamfer commands.